Flip the unit over and remove 2 7mm screws and 2 4mm screws. Also loosen 2 captive screws. Gently insert the opener pick and slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Peel back the tape and gently pull back to unplug the battery from the motherboard. Flip the unit over, open it up, and gently insert the opener pick between the module and the back cover. Slide along the edges to pop the LCD mod free. Lift partway up. Peel back the tape. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the LCD cable from the module. Peel back the tape and unplug the cable from the gyroscope. Peel back the tape and unplug the cable from the digitizer. Wind the LCD cable free and remove the LCD module. Replace the LCD module. Reseat the LCD cable into the grooves. Plug the cable back into the digitizer. Plug the cable back into the gyroscope. Plug the LCD cable back into the module and replace the tape. Put the module back into place and gently push down along the edges to pop it back into place. Fold the unit back and flip it back over. Plug the battery back into the motherboard and replace the tape. Replace the bottom cover Push down to snap back into place. And replace the 2 7mm screws and 2 4mm screws. Tighten the 2 captive screws in the center.